Good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope you're doing well. I'm Charlene Reeves, and I'm here to share a bit of information on the blog. And last week, I talked to you about the 3 C's, if you remember, and that was all about clearing all the negativity that we have within that we've picked up over the years. Then we have clarity about the steps that we're going to take into the next part of our lives, and then confidence. There's so much challenge when it comes to fear. And fear is a big part of even looking at ourselves. That was what the exercise last week was all about, was looking at ourselves and finding out how we relate to others. I don't want you to jump over that part because all of those 3 C's are what makes a difference in your future. And look at what happens with our future. A lot of people have deep rooted fear. And I understand that. We raise this fear within us. This fear that somebody's going to hurt us, or this fear of stepping out into sales, or stepping onto video like I've done just now, or even on a stage. Lots and lots of fear. And when we have these fears, they keep us stuck in one place. We just simply can't move forward. Have you ever noticed that? You know, I wonder if you've ever sat in your meditation and really thought about your fear and where it actually came from. And almost always it relates way back to when you were a child, just like it did with me. For me, it started when I was 5 years old. That's a long time to carry fear, don't you agree? But I have a secret for you, and that is that fear has nothing to do with right now. Because if you say to yourself, am I okay right now? Sure, I'm okay right now. Well, was yesterday okay? Or the day before that? Or the day before that? Was that okay? Might have had a few rocky days, but they were okay, right? Fear is all about the future. And we aren't even there yet. We are so afraid of so many different things in the future. What if? What if that happens? What if I make a mistake? What if I don't do what somebody else wants me to do and I don't walk on the eggshells I'm supposed to be walking on? You know that one, right? Well, fear can be literally unleashed. So when you get rid of these fears, then you can act on the clarity that you've received. Because maybe you receive a message that your clarity in your next steps in your business are bigger than what you can handle. Well, that's when that fear comes in, because you know we never get anything that's bigger than we can handle. So if you are stuck or fearful of something, get beyond it. Do whatever you can do to get beyond it. Because even in sales, there's that word. There's so much fear around sales, around asking for money, or around even talking to somebody. How do you open a sales conversation? And then what if they don't understand what I have and what I'm offering? Well, that's because you may not have easy sell programs. And there's a way to get around that too. So I'm going to be adding some information. So please read my blog. If you get a chance, like it. That's so important. Please like it. And then write a comment. I would so appreciate it if you wrote a comment, because I promise, as always, I will write back.